Another type of a resource in a learning management system, specifically a Moodle-based learning management system, is URL. A URL is a link to direct students to a website or any external file. Make sure to test the links regularly. That is to make sure and check whether the address has not been changed. Make sure to segregate what is a required reading material and what is a supplementary reading material, especially when you ask to read a particular website or to download a particular PDF or content from a website or from a periodical or a journal. Say, for example, on the screen, in my description, I describe the content of the URL and how it is relevant to the student. Avoid overloading of URLs among the students. The tendency in a learning management system, and if there are many resources available on the net or even on YouTube, the tendency is we will just copy and paste the links and put it into our learning management system. And here the students will be puzzled and would not know which one is a required material and which one is a supplemental or a support reading material. Last but not the least is a book. Create a multi-page resource in a book-like format, which contains several chapters and sub-chapters. You can notice this, you can observe this in all our reading material. It is in chapter format with sub-chapters. And when you print it, it is organized in an ebook format. A book format can be a combination of a text base, a video, a picture, a URL, and a printable material, and make sure to always put a description in all your book. Do not upload heavy files like ebooks, thesis, manuscripts, and others. Lighter files make the downloading process easy, especially for students with challenging internet connectivity. Split a file into many files, then upload as a folder. To split a file, you can download any PDF resizer or PDF splitter. I presented there or here on the screen a link on how to split or cut or slice your PDF into several files.